Your brain is drugging you into failure right now. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reverse it. You wake up tired, you grab coffee, you scroll, you tell yourself you'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow comes and nothing changes. You're not lazy, you're chemically hijacked. Your dopamine is fried, your cortisol is spiking at the wrong times, your testosterone is crashing while you wonder why discipline feels like war. This isn't a mindset problem, it's a chemistry problem. Here are 4 brain chemicals controlling your motivation and exactly how to hack each one. First, dopamine, your drive molecule. Every scroll hijacks this chemical. Your brain gets flooded with cheap rewards. Here's the fix. Remove easy pleasures for 24 hours. No social media, no sugar. Let your baseline reset. Then, tie dopamine to hard tasks. Work out, cold shower, deep work. Your brain relearns that effort equals reward. Second, cortisol, your stress hormone. It should spike in the morning and drop at night, but yours is probably reversed. The fix? Morning sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. This resets your rhythm. At night, kill the screens. Blue light destroys your ability to calm down. Third, testosterone, your confidence fuel. Modern life crushes it. The fix? Lift heavy things 3 times weekly. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Testosterone peaks during deep sleep. Cut processed food. Eat whole foods, protein, healthy fats. Fourth, serotonin, your mood stabilizer. Most of it lives in your gut. The fix? Eat fermented foods. Get daily sunlight. Practice gratitude. 3 things daily. Write them down. You're not fighting laziness. You're rebalancing biology. And when your chemistry works for you, motivation becomes automatic. Your brain isn't broken, it's been hijacked. Now you have the keys back. Comment "Rewired" if you're ready to take control. Subscribe to Come Inspire because this is where science meets discipline.